BFLY stock analysis and BFLY stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, so you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And I'm here to tell you that with BFLY, whatever this, bro, what the hell is this? Why is it not butterfly, man? There you go. That's the correct butterfly. You can see that. Well, I don't know what ticker for that was, but it was the same ticker. Well, yeah, I bought here. That seemed to deliver, which is nice. I'm not waiting anymore. That was a dub. Currently here, you know, like then that kind of delivered towards the high, so we went all over the place. And all I'm looking at this thing here is just from a bullish lens, of course, but not really gonna lean on the buying side unless I see a full candle close above like 284 or something, right? But yeah, in the meantime, I'll continue to keep you updated, so there's really no sweat there. You can see right here. There you go. This is the one confirmation, so I'm waiting for that. And I do have previous receipts in my Discord with Butterfly, which I lied to. I don't, my bad. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.